evening, all of you. And first of all, thank you, Mr. Vikram sir, for giving me a golden opportunity to express myself in front of you. I think government job is best because in government job secure our life. Before working, we have many facilities like hospitalization and schooling facilities like holidays facility. 60 plus after we have many facilities also like retirement pension, TA, many more facilities. So I think government job is best.
Sorry, I don't agree your point. Business is also good. Business is many more income in business. Businessman do any things oneself.
No, I don't agree with your point. Job is good because in job we if we study in good way then we get any type of job, and in business if we don't have much money then I don't grow my business. So job is good.
Without money we also start our business.
No, I don't agree with your point. Nowadays many people have much money. That's why many people started business, because many people know I have much money. Then I start business and I grow. But that's why many people have don't have money, and many people don't grow in their business. That's why many people become a poor.
No, I can't accept your point. In this time, all people are doing a business because they have a knowledge to how to grow our business, and then he start our business.
But lots of people are opening business, then after he will face not earning money, then he will close business. So I think it's not good.
No, if you have a patience, then you can do our work hard. Then you can grow up easily. If you have a patience and do hard work.
But lots of people have no any idea where to open business. Then after he will face earning money, not more.
But in India, all Gujaratis and Marwadis people never do job. Who always do a business. Like Tata, Ambani, Adani, this type of entrepreneurs, all big businessmen, they also give salary to our workers.
Yes, I agree your point.
To our workers, and he also get invest in our many different type of yojnas and many different type of jobs also available. Without business there is no jobs, so business is good.
No, I don't agree with your point. Job is good, business is bad, because nowadays many people seeing dead people like that Mukesh Ambani and Ratan Tata, and by seeing this many people open a business. That's why many people became a poor. But in job many people nowadays many people study in good school. That's why many people create many type of job. So job is good.
But I want to mention the point in the business they are not run, because in employment doing our best, then business are run. In employment is very important for doing a business in growing.
Business is good because business creates more jobs, but in job you can only do one, but business create many more jobs for people who create lots of job at the local areas.
Yes, first of all we are started business, then we need lots of money and lots of time, and we need 24/7, and we need to many of the things, and we are also mentally good, because we are accept our loss and risks. So that time is job is much better as compared to business.
Yes, you are right, but without risk we can't grow in business. There are many government also promote to to create a startups and grow their business, and governments also provide many training also. So business is good.
I think in India, 80% student preparation for the government job, and because in government job secure our life, but in business, business owner is so many stress. They have not time their family. They have not time their family. Sometimes their life is very stressful, and sometimes their life is very happiness. So, but in government job, our life is secure because we get salary per month, and we enjoyed our life. So I think government job is best.
I don't agree your point. Businessman is many more spend our family life family with families. Businessman owner of this business. Businessmen have many more money and don't anytime don't spend this time business.
I don't agree with your point because you will spend time in business, so you don't spend with family.
But in the government job, it is not possible to all people crack these types of job because this is very hard process. So I think if all people are not crack these types of job, then people earn money and they need any types of business. So I think business is also good.
But some family are not background financial condition is not good. Then how will he open? He can't open because he will face like after opening what will we do? Then he will face like loss. So you think it is not good. Then he will focus on the job.
But all students can't focus, can't crack the job because in this time many vacancy was not coming. Then in this time many employees was increased. So this is bad for us.
Then you will hard work. Then definitely.
But vacancy was not coming. Then how I crack the government job?
For example, if you are a proper study, then also you are also cracking your jobs, and sometimes they don't crack your job, then they are also try next time, and they are also success in our.
How I crack next time exam if vacancy was not coming, and if next year vacancy was coming, then if my age was over age, then how I fill the form and crack the government job?
First of all, vacancy are come in any years.
No, you can also know vacancy was coming, but many less vacancy was coming, and many more lakh people are filling the form, and many less to 1 lakh to 50,000 people crack the jobs, and another 2 to 8 lakh people can't crack the job, and they waste the time.
In India, many people want to do business. Many millionaires and billionaires, daughters, sons, always making a proper aim to work at business organization. His father's business organization, ancestors' business organization. They don't need to practice for any competition exam and wait for some different type of government exams. They don't need, because they know very well in this time business is very popular and many people want to earn money, more money. So many people doesn't waste time to preparing any different type of jobs, and they include in business organization. So business is good.
And I want to mention some point in government job. If you do a government job, then you can get your salary like 30 to 40,000. But in business, you can get money 50 to 1 lakh also, 1 lakh above salary.
First of all, you can say that in business we are also increase any day one like but in risks in more, like a 99% fail in business in this time.
If,
They are increasing in money. And the jobs are many of the CPR and they are also giving a time to time salary, and we are also like enjoying jobbers member in with our family. But in business we can't do anything. But in live in Indian are very many conditions, like many students are single mother and they responsible for our family. They can't do anything because they are very poor condition. So how can you say that? So doing a
Many-
business is more better as compared to job, because job are very secure. That is a future. In soldier and army and IAS, IFC, in this officer they are secure our area and border. Then if you are started business and jobs. So first of all, job are very important for us. Without job we can't do anything.
But if
So I think job
if
is-
I doing a job, then
First of all,
my job was running good. Then after some time, if suppose that if I was dead, then my business was running. My business running my son.
I am also accept your point. Our business is also good, but many of the person to start a business, then which is the condition in many of the person, because market is competition is very high. If you are started any business, then our coffee business 5 to 6 also started. Then why will you do? Our business is grow. They are lost and they are mentally pressure and family pressure because you live in India. India condition is very
But
poor
this
in
type of things
business.
are also available in government job. All person
How?
doing all person prepare the government job. But he can't crack the government job. Here he have also a pressure, many pressure of families and relatives also pressure.
If competition is in the business, then all this problem is also in the government job, because you go to the job examination, many people are crack this job, many students are exam these types of job. So why can all people are not crack these types of job?
Job people take salary.
In India, every person, not a millionaire and not a Ambani and Birla, every person is a middle class, and they are not sufficient money, and they can't entrepreneur, and they have insufficient money, and they doing hard work, and they earn the job and earn money. They get job and earn money, and their life is happiness, because their working place is so many friends, and they sharing happiness and sadness also. So I think government job is best, because in business owner mind so many stress, and they also thought how to grow your business, our business, and their parents is also involved, their sadness, their stressness. So I think government job is good for our life and our parents' life, and government job secure our life and our 2 generation life secure. So I think government job is best.
So government job gives salary monthly to monthly, but government family is very face difficult situation. So I can't agree your point. Business is also good. Business is very increase money, very more than increase money. So business is also good.
First of all,
Job people do job sometime, but business people do job lifetime.
I think sometimes business loss, we increase money, and business is grown up. Sometimes we have more money, but then our business is lost. How can we manage our family problems, our children's education, our mother father medical facilities? So, but in government job, government provide medical facilities, schooling facilities. So our life is secure government job. So I think a government job is best.
In India, we see many different type of schools, private hospitals, and many different type of private organization. They are doing a business. He or she earn money from school fees and different type of any expenses. Hospitals earn different type of do different type of treatments and facilities to earn money from the public or society. So why so how you can say business is good? Job is good?
Because sometimes we look television and their headlines is coffee cafe day owner their loss their business and they attempt suicide and their next generation is also affected their decision and coffee cafe day business is lost because business is more important but their life is so many important but in government job our mind is very happiness doing the government job.
But those people do this type of doing this type of things. Those never know how to do business and how to work proper to increase my business or business. Those people know very well how to work and invest in business. How much money invest? How many member to include in business? Those people never do different suicide or any this type of things and increase their business in Ambani, Birla, Tata, many billionaires are spine of the India.
But I said every person not a Ambani, not a Birla and not a millionaire. In India, 80-90% public is very middle class and they have no sufficient money. They start up, they made entrepreneur and they work very hard and they doing the job, any job, and their family is dependent their owner.
But I want to mention the point. Like you are also said that in India many of the family living like a poor family, middle class and everything. But in suppose that in a poor family student we get the army officer. They don't happiness. Many middle class family get IPS officer, IAS officer. They are also proud. And so I think we.
Okay, you told in the army and IPS officer, IAS officer, but one job, many people are one job purpose 1,000 more than children sir exam to these types of jobs, crack these types of jobs. But one people get the job. So others children are what can they do? Because 4 times they repeat the job. But if any children are not crack these types of job 4 times, then what can they? Because their age is over.
No, I am not accepting because many types of jobs is present and you can study this good way and easily crack this many types of jobs in jobs in good way lives and family lives. So job is good.
But all student prepare the higher post of government job he prepare, but he can't crack the government job because in this time competition was very high. But you can see if many students prepare the UPSC exam, he prepare their exam before 7 to 8 years, but he can't crack the jobs.
No, I am not accepting this point because in study a good way and you.
But all students doing their study in good way. He doing a hard work and he prepare the exam of 8 to 13 to 14 hours he study, but he can't crack. Why? Because in this time many competition was very high in government job.
Yeah, many competition high, but many vacancies are comes and many types of person these jobs. You study them good way and many jobs crack this. You also crack these jobs.
But
But
this
you
time
can't
vacancies very
study
poor.
this good way and you can't crack these jobs.
But this time vacancy is very poor because her 1 year by 1 year more people are educated in the graduation MA BSc also. But these types of job is not come. You see only some jobs are once 1 year to other year not come. Like railway job, school service job, not not came to the job purpose.
But now generation many vacancy come and I can do hard work and I can do easily a study and we can crack the job.
After preparing that many students get stress and they get depression. Sometimes they have to fulfill their lifestyle, so they switch to business and they opens a small stalls also, such as tea stalls and samosa stall etc. to fulfill their life also, and so job is.
It's also happen in business because you can see that now like you are open like samosa shop and just then after few months samosa shop other person open in beside store, then definitely your store is.
But these types of problem also in the government job also. 1 year you see more students is came to the competition.
Yeah, I agree with your point, but after getting job, your life is very secure. After retirement, you can get a retirement pension and etc. And medical insurance and everything. You can enjoy your life after getting job.
But there is a sufficient balance to their salary. But in the business, you hard working, then your earn is very high. So I think business is good.
Yeah, I agree with your point, but if you want, you can get easily promotion. Then after definitely your promotion earning more.
And I add some point in government job per year increase our salaries and we promoted our post and sometime government provide 7th pay skill and there are sufficient money in their families and their children and a whole family are secure. But in businessmen I think is very selfish. All our time they thought how to grow your business, but sometimes they not grow their business. They frustrate their worker and they very cruel their worker. So I think job is good because there are not job person not cruel anybody and society look very respected government job doing this man. So I think government job is best.
In business you say no any type of salary or bonus given to the workers. You are wrong because many people work who work in a private organization means work with business organization who workers always receive big amount like 30,000 40,000 and time to time they receive incentive at his work business organization. The manager and head means leader watches their work and report the department, and they increase their salary.
I mentioned some point. Government job people depend on government, but businessman depend on sir.
But I think government job developing in India, but businessmen total dependent their own self, and they always thought own self, but in government job worker thought how to grow up India and how to development our Indian society. So I think government job is best.
Many different type growing India.
First of all, we set up on business, then we need a lot of money, and then they take the loan from bank, and we are started time that our business are also growing, then our earning is also growing, but many reasons in same time we don't have big out from loan in bank, then and many of the future time business are lost, then it is a in our own self. It is a risk.
Your family don't have money, and your family how can complete your education?
But in government provide many things, school, hospital, and life facility, and giving many of the things in government, and government is gives many of the giving the opportunities to study and playing. So government is much better as compared to business.
But government can't give us money to do education.
Why?
No.
You know in government school they are free of cost many things.
And government provide also food and books also provide. How many facilities provide children? They educated. So government is best, better than businessmen.
Okay, I accept your point. Government school is good, but this time you see maximum village areas government school is not read probably, because we told any people in our village, they told that their school is education is very poor. Teachers are going to the school and they sit and they see the mobile. They don't educate to their student. But he told, you come to my tuition, I teach you.
But it is
It
totally
is also business.
But it is totally human. This is a skill development, and teacher also provide good education in government school. Then how can we say teacher always see the mobile?
Because they did the school.
No,
And they
this
not
is
teach
totally-
in their school. They go to the tuition and they teach. In the private school, you see the teachers are very hardworking, because they know that if he or she is not teach, then his job is fired.
But sometime is mobile time, and we live in 5G, and teachers use mobile because educational causes. So teacher use mobile, but we say teacher also use mobile. This is a very hopeless thought, and I think very hopeless thought. Teacher also use mobile because education matter. They use mobile.
Okay, if government school is good and government system is good, so why can the people are going to the private school and private hospital private sectors, why can they go to the private
They go
sectors?
because they can't crack the government examination, because government examination is very hard. They do also job. The cream student go to government job, and every person not a cream student. Every person is an average student. They can't crack the examination. Then how can they go in government job?
But government job, if government job is good, then government school is good, then why we live in the Bokaro city? We don't see any government school is open. All school is closed because there is not education is happen. So why can you see government school is good? And we see many types of YouTube video in the Bihar primary teacher not talk about any simple English word.
But this is also public school also teacher not tell a difficult word.